Brought to you by Armchair Income. Come back with you again with another video. Armchair Income, while you sitting home making money. Here is the 3 packages you can join Armchair Income. Very cheap, low ticket costs. On this day, 05/14/2024, brought to you by Armchair Income, that you can make money while you sitting on your lounging on your couch and watching TV and watching your favorite movie, while you ordering your Armchair Income postcards and so forth and so on. Here is my sponsor ID. I am your sponsor about the Armchair Income, because everyone wants to make money from home. Here it is. It's called Armchair Income. Armchair Income is an income that you can make some money from home while you're sitting down. Very easy to understand. Pick one of your packages, what you can afford, and you start making your money from home. That's simple. That easy. Here's one of my flyers about Armchair Income. I've been with Armchair Income for a long time. So there's no reason that you can say you can't make no money from home. Brought to you by Armchair Income. I am a member with Armchair Income. People are looking for ways to make money. Here it is. Sit on your couch, offline marketing, and see your money rolling in like clockwork. You have to put in work. You can't sit around knowing that you can't do nothing. You have to put out postcards, flyers. You can't stop. Get your leads, get your stamps, get your email together. If you join this company, you saying you're going in 100%, you're going to put in work. If you join and you just stay stagnant, you ain't making no money. Everything we do in life is work. It is a real work in progress. This is my order from Armchair Income. I'm doing a video. I ain't done a video with Armchair Income a long time ago. Somebody, one of my prospects, just called me on the phone, seen my YouTube channel, seen my YouTube video about Armchair Income. Out of the sponsor that is on YouTube, he picked me out of the YouTube channel. He wanted to join me. I respect him. I called him on the phone. I talked to him. We have a decent conversation. What he got going on. He decided he wanted to join me in Armchair Income. Out of everybody on YouTube, he picked me out of everybody. Thank you, Jesus. My message is getting out. My videos is getting to people's mind and the heart. I talk to you on the telephone. My phone number is on one of my flyers on my YouTube channel. You can contact me, message me. We can have a good conversation. What do you want to do in life? What kind of program you want to join? You can start with one, work with one, and come back later. I'm a busy man. I got a lot of stuff going on. Yes, indeed. I just got one of the prospects just called me. I called him. He sent me a text. And I decided to call him. He was interested in Armchair Income, so he was asking for my flyer. So I decided to PDF him the flyer by email, and he just got the information by email. If you want to join Armchair Income, please forward me your email address so I can send you the necessary information about Armchair Income. You don't have to wait for no postcard in the mailbox. Please, thank you in advance. I appreciate it. I have the flyer for you. All I need is your email address so I can forward you this flyer by PDF form. It's downloadable. You can print it out and send it in to this address right there. You can send the form to this address right there. This is my sponsor ID, 125. 125 right there. So this is a serious matter. Non-skeptical, non-business owners. This is a serious matter. I was just watching TV and somebody seen my video on YouTube and he decided he want to join me. He want more information about Armchair Income. Listen to his work from home based business. He's an older man. He's an older cat. He's 74 years old. We had a good conversation about what he's doing, what I'm doing, about brainstorming, what's next, what you doing. There, I got me a prospect already. Again, my message is getting out. My videos is talking to the people. This is a serious matter. Non-believers out there, you have to be able to believe in yourself that you can do anything you put your mind to. It's not going to be easy, but you can make it work. He's 74 years old. He know how to do email. He's 74 years old. He know about pill and stick label. He's 74 years old. He know about postcard. He is 74 years old. He know about landing page, email blast. He's 74 years old. If a 74-year-old man can do this simple postcard, I ain't never met him before. I ain't never seen him in my life before until I called him and we had a conversation. I respect him. That's how easy this job is. It's easy to do emails. Offline, I talked to him. We had a good conversation, like I said. Again, after I'm done with this video, I will post this on my group page. I will post this on my group page. Yes, I will post this on my group page and go from there. Yes, indeed. So yeah, there's no reason to say you can't make no money at all. There's no reason. I don't know what else to say anymore. You have to make your money and be happy that you make money. Go from there. That's it. I don't have nothing else to say about this. So if you interested in armchair income, please forward me your your email so I can send you the PDF file by email address. I can compose it to you, or you can go to one of the group pages and download this flyer. All right, thanks. I'll come back with you again with another video. Thanks.